If you want to add someone on Steam quickly and without confusion, your Steam friend code is the easiest way to do it. Instead of searching through dozens or even hundreds of similar usernames, you can share one unique code that connects you directly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Steam friend code on the desktop client in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open the Steam desktop client on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account you want to share the friend code from. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu bar and hover your mouse over your profile name. This will open a drop-down menu with a few account-related options. From that menu, select Friends. Now you'll be taken to the Friends section of Steam. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option that says Add a Friend and click it. This is where Steam gives you different ways to connect with other users, including your unique friend code. At the top of the page, you'll see your 8-digit Steam friend code displayed clearly. That code is tied to your account, so you can share it with someone and they can add you without needing to search for your exact profile name. If you want to make the process even faster, Steam also gives you a copy button next to the code. Click that, and the friend code will be copied to your clipboard so you can paste it into a message, email, or chat instantly. That makes it really convenient if you're trying to connect with friends, teammates, or anyone you meet in a game. Just remember, your friend code is personal to your Steam account, so only share it with people you trust. Once they enter it, they'll be able to send you a friend request, and you can accept it from your Steam notifications or friends list. So that's it. The quickest way to find your Steam friend code is to open Steam, go to your profile name, choose Friends, click Add a Friend, and copy the 8-digit code at the top. Simple, fast, and much easier than searching usernames manually. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.